So hello, what is up guys? It's your boy Roy here. So today I'm gonna tell you about how you can generate some real cash using AI arts. Now you can say that I don't know how to make AI arts and you don't even need to worry about it. Actually, you don't even have to worry because AI does all the thing and nowadays you can do anything with AI. So to generate AI art I recommend using only one website, that is I'm gonna show you Adobe Firefly. It is free and it is very good. You just have to make an account here really fast. This takes nothing, like this takes like 2 minutes to make an account here. Then you just have to click on this link, create with Firefly. So as you can see here, there are many AI arts generated here. You can give your own prompts and make AI do anything. Like if I want to, let me show you how to do it. Let me give a prompt: a beautiful girl, 1 minute, girl watching sunset through 1 minute through window, and it's done. Let's see what happens now. These are really good images, I have to admit. Really good images. Like you can even upscale here. What do you need more? What more do you need? You have everything here and it is free. It is now upscaling the image. Look at the quality of this image. It is really nice. And let me show you, I can download it for free. I don't even have to pay anything. Yes, it is downloaded here. Let me show you. You can see the quality of this image here. This is a really good image. Okay, now comes the earning part. How are you gonna generate money with that? So for that you have to go to another website, that is Shutterstock Contributor. Click on this link, submit.shutterstock.com. First you have to make an account here. This also takes like 5 minutes to make. Then you have to go here. This is their dashboard. Then go to submit content. As you can see, I have uploaded some here, but they are not AI generated art. These are my own images that I upload on Shutterstock. And it takes around 5 to 8 days for review. And let me show you that some of the people are really doing it. Let me go to the Shutterstock. They are really doing it. Shutterstock. Let's type in AI and search for it. Let's see what will come here. As you can see here, this here is AI generated. I can tell it by its quality and its design. This is AI generated. This is AI generated. This is also AI generated. This is also AI generated. I can tell you that people are really earning some real cash by doing it. You can also start doing it, and that is why I just showed you the method to do it. So just get started, and if you want more videos like this, like how to earn money, then you can also subscribe to my channel. And I also upload videos about my social media experiments. You can also check out that. Like I often experiment on social media. I have different accounts, so I just experiment and I just show you the results of that. So you can literally subscribe to me. And that's it for this video. Bye.